Hi all, thanks for coming back. As we know already, the world is filled with colors, and people who are unable to enjoy the colors of the nature are called colorblind. In today's video, we are going to see some facts about color blindness. Can you imagine how colorblind people see this world? Come, let's watch this video. And before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, well, this is a video channel all about colors in the world. Consider subscribing my channel and click the bell icon. First, let's see what is color blindness, or in other words, we may call it as color vision deficiency. Color blindness is the inability to differentiate certain colors. This does not mean that people with this deficiency cannot see colors at all, but they simply have a harder time differentiating between some shades of reds, greens, blues and yellows. The hardest fact is most of the people did not know that they are experiencing color blindness. To a normal sighted person, a rainbow features all the colors of it, but for many colorblind people, it only appears to have 2 or 3 colors. The most common form of color deficiency is red-green deficiency. Color blindness is more common. 1 in 12 men in this world is colorblind, and only 1 in 200 women have the condition. This means that 95% of colorblind community are men. What happens in our eyes? How we see colors? Come, let's see this in detail. In the retina, we have some special cells called cones. Each cone is sensitive to either red, green or blue light. The brain uses input from these cone cells to determine our color perception. Color blindness can happen when one or more of the cone cells are absent, not working, or detect a different color than the usual one. 98% of those with color blindness have red-green color blindness, the most severe form of color blindness in which everything is seen in shades of grey, which is uncommon. Color blindness usually affects both eyes equally and remains stable throughout the life. It's possible to be colorblind in one eye and have normal color vision in the other. This too a very rare case. There are 3 types of color blindness: red-green color blindness, blue-yellow color blindness, total color blindness. How to identify the color blindness? The most common test for color blindness is the Ishihara light test. The patients are shown a series of specially designed pictures composed of colored dots as you see in the screen. Originally, these plates are designed for the purpose of detecting red-green color blindness. There are many other tests available in the internet to check the color vision defects. You may test your vision using the given link in the description. Let's see the factors that affect color vision. Other than the hereditary reasons, some other diseases such as diabetes, Alzheimer, leukemia, and even people who are addicted to alcohol may damage their vision. Certain drugs used to treat heart problems, blood pressure, nervous disorders, and some of the drugs used for psychological problems can affect color vision. The ability to see colors can gradually lessen with age. Why this is important to check your vision? How color blindness affects your day-to-day life? Let's see some of the examples. There are certain situations in which correct interpretation of color can be critical. The primary example is traffic lights. If you are colorblind, it is important to consider whenever you drive, remember to identify whether the lit light is at the top or bottom of the traffic light tree. Many tests such as litmus paper test require the ability to detect a color change to validate findings. Choosing or buying clothes with complementary colors can be quite challenging. Accidentally wearing mismatched clothing is a common problem for colorblind people. In some countries, there are barriers to entry in certain professionals for people who are colorblind. In Romania, people who are colorblind are not allowed to obtain a driver's license. In England, color blindness may prevent you from becoming a doctor. In United States, one cannot get a pilot license. In many parts of the world, it's difficult to become an electrician. Is there a way to cure color blindness? The hardest answer is no. There is no known cure for color blindness. Today's technology allows to see the colors through some of the contact lenses or glasses which are available with filters to help the people with color deficiencies. Apart from these glasses, certain adaptation methods are required in day-to-day life. That's it for today. Please leave your comment. Stay tuned for the next interesting video. Thanks for watching. See you.